This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah. So in the last class, we discussed about that purchase voucher. So when we are going to purchase the products from our suppliers, in that two types of purchase transactions we have in that. Two types of purchase transactions means nothing but one is cash purchase, another one is credit purchase. While purchasing the product anything, if I give the payment as a cash, as a form of cash, when we are going to pay, that is be called as a cash purchase option. Suppose I am going to give the bank check, so that is be called as a bank purchase options also. And here credit purchase means nothing but credit purchase is nothing but when we are going to purchase any product from our suppliers on credit base. For example, today I am going to purchase the product anything, so next week or after 2 3 days I am going to pay that amount. That is we called as a credit purchase. And bank purchase option is there. Cash purchase is nothing but when we are going to pay the cash. Okay, by paying the cash we are purchasing the product, or else on spot cash also when we are going to pay that amount. So as a form of cash, by paying the cash we are purchasing the product, that is we called as a cash purchase. Instead of that cash, if I pay the check, if I given any check anything, so that time that is we called as a bank purchase. After that, on credit purchase means on credit base. When we are going to purchase the product on credit base, that is be called as a credit purchase also. In that we have three types of mode, means purchase voucher mode we have in that. One is voucher mode, another one is item invoice mode, third one is accounting invoice mode. Voucher mode is nothing but double entry system, debit credit options it will come, allows entry of accounts and inventory, means here, so debit and credit double entry system it will come. Item invoice mode is nothing but that is single entry only, allows entry of inventory. When we are mentioning the product name, for which product we are going to sell, so what is the quantity, from which godown we are going to purchasing or selling the product, all these things. So that time we have to select the item invoice mode we are going to select. Accounting invoice mode is nothing but that is also single entry mode only, when we are going to give the services. When we are going to give the services, example, advertisement services we are going to give, or transportation services we are going to give, that time we are going to use the accounting invoice mode. Like this we have three types of purchase mode we have. One is voucher mode, another one is item invoice mode, third one is accounting invoice mode only. In that, MCC ಅಂತ ಇತ್ತು. Before purchasing the product anything, first we are going to give the purchase order, means here purchase order. Means, suppose for example, I need today 100 laptops. I need, suddenly if you go and ask that product all these things, so if they may to have the product in their godown or not, so we don't know how much product is there. So with that suppliers, all these things, that's why first we have to give the purchase order. So after 2 3 days we are going to purchase the product. Example, if I want to give the purchase order, so open the tally, go to voucher option. In that other voucher, here in the right side button so we have only the contra, receipt, journal, sales, purchase, this kind of options, so we have in that. But we need